Are you looking to design custom AdCreative AI templates but aren't sure where to start? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create powerful, personalized ad templates using AdCreative AI. Stick around because I'm also going to reveal how you can access the software for free with some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. AdCreative AI is a game changer in the world of digital marketing. It leverages artificial intelligence to generate creative ad designs that are optimized to drive results. The beauty of using AdCreative AI is that it removes the guesswork from your ad designs by utilizing data-driven insights to create visually compelling templates tailored to your audience. When you first log into AdCreative AI, you'll see a simple dashboard that makes it easy to get started. You can choose from a wide range of pre-built templates that are perfect for any industry or marketing campaign. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or Instagram campaigns, there's a template for every platform. But the real magic happens when you start customizing. Now let's go over how you can design custom AdCreative AI templates that truly stand out. The first thing you'll need to do is select your campaign type, whether you're aiming for lead generation, brand awareness, or e-commerce sales. Once that's done, AdCreative AI's AI engine will use its data to suggest elements that will resonate most with your target audience. It analyzes things like color schemes, typography, and even call to action buttons that are most likely to convert. But you're not just stuck with the AI suggestions. You can tweak everything to match your branding or marketing style. Want to change the font or swap out an image for something more relevant to your business? No problem. AdCreative AI makes it easy to make these adjustments. Next up is the design layout. With AdCreative AI, you can drag and drop elements into place. Want to adjust the positioning of the logo or resize an image? It's all possible with just a few clicks. The software's intuitive interface means that even if you have zero design experience, you can still create professional level ad creatives. You don't need to be a graphic designer to produce eye-catching ads. After customizing your template, it's time to test it. This is one of the best features of AdCreative AI, A/B testing. You can create multiple versions of your ads and compare their performance. The AI will analyze which design works best and suggest improvements to optimize your campaign. This feature ensures that you're always using the best performing ad creative, which is crucial when you're managing high budget campaigns. If you're running ads on multiple platforms, AdCreative AI makes it easy to resize and optimize your design for different ad placements. Whether you need a Facebook feed post, a Google display ad, or a banner for your website, AdCreative AI will automatically adjust the dimensions and formatting so that your ads look perfect everywhere. Before we wrap up, remember that AdCreative AI isn't just for experienced marketers. If you're a beginner, you'll find that the platform provides you with all the tools you need to create ad creatives that convert. From suggestions to custom templates, everything is designed to make your life easier and your campaigns more successful. And here's the best part. If you want to give AdCreative AI a try, you can use it completely for free through the link in the description below. Plus, when you sign up, you'll unlock exclusive bonuses that will make your ad creation process even easier. So don't miss out. Start using AdCreative AI today and design custom templates that are optimized for performance. Remember, with AdCreative AI, you can take your digital marketing to the next level without needing any prior design experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the extended free trial through the link below. You won't regret it.